Good evening, everyone. I just want to highlight a few things that has been said here during this press conference. Uh, all the political parties have made clear, at least the three that are part of this coalition, that is the GMC, NRP, and the UDP, have made very clear what their position is on as long as this coalition and everything is concerned. Okay, one thing that we need to look at is here, it seems like there's a problem somewhere that a lot of people are not talking about. So that's why we need to, I think, we need to calm down a little bit, not overreact or be so emotional or attack one another unnecessarily. Because if we start the infighting based on what has come out right now, I think we're going to make some mistakes. I just want to say again, menu for the new press conference, or based on those things, everybody ba mira mobe sa mira no fon ko itela bolor. So but it's important ko kuma dan for je mena ko they are very important. Wolon kom ka ko multi-party system moning ki be highlight ko is important and then is part of democracy. Ning parliamentary election on ala democracy ning abe fala le ni mol bu ko contest based on party because constitutional man for ko coalition of party in Gambia wala nyanta lola So coalition is just, it consists of parties, stakeholder level back now. Wole coalition on you make. So wole say decision on make no le bita no nyadile ka election okay. So what decision making process ni wole be caring. So wala nan if I would advise anybody, we will argue here and there. We can all make noise on Facebook, on social media, even till the day Kartoba file anywhere you are. But I think it's also important to know that in the end Gambia will be fine. That's what I believe. In the end, because still now, more lebita karto file. My expect ko nyamato lebita karto file. More lebita karto file, and I believe ko be karto file based on more constituency more reasonable lengo me ya kiena ebe karto file all. But my party memfoja is very very important. Coming ko new parliamentary election contest, more ya contest if I and then ka contest in the way to lay afnya wala nyin tactical alliance ti ube parliamentary democracy nga ba strengthen lale. Anu I identify ko is similar to presidential election. Brim presidential election on ate to le ajibele me to favor it le ajibele ko wolen ko Adama Barrow londi wala ya mo clean choose coalition parties party will be kafu nyomani independent candidate ni ya mo clean to mo ni o mo clean tombong o mari lo I represent I lo as an independent candidate o mari resign from ala party to so ye wala keno wolen tactic tinu ya je non ko wala sa coalition o sabano. But say coalition of some political party, and I think it's very, very important. Coalition is not a political party. Come alliance level stakeholders different political parties. So this is the only way it work out. I work out win. So still now so I think that's another reason why Monianda makes sure we still cease the fire, let there be no infighting between us. And then practically, it will have a solution of whatever work and will more clearly. It will believe that practically whatever work. And still now, you may believe we are cool member in coalition or a it will have a ni momo lo fire tactical alliance ke ni to lo ra region doro ñu do lo region doro alkana ñu agents alia negotiate dal coalition o dam ale 53 soro alia negotiate alia tala ñu do mo lo fisata. So I think that it will go practically it will feel whatever work like this time around. While as come nunto fana ya mira nunko practically more clear lo ayaje me boy ndi whatever work la. Wo solution o work tale in solution do fana let's give it chance. Probably it's going to work. So I think those are the main important things many I will highlight. But I also want to talk about this 50 constituencies that NRP will for. NRP ko lola at 50 different constituencies. This is very important. But I will come to I will come to that later. They have intention to compete in as much as 50. UDP Kobelola as 52 constituencies as of 53. That's almost 99%. That's or even more. Then you have the GMC. My party ko itol anywhere belola they are willing to contest all. But ibena ramunela ka nying sabol be yemela je wolanko at the end. Ibe they are open for negotiation. Wolanko nganiome be la yewola for bari satalano le salafano. So based on satalano based on comment ka news or comment tactical alliance ni nyanda kenyame ka ni dolo rajan do kana loje. So UDP ni ko talul nim fula bi wala ngani aske batalala my party ka lafta lo bla bi do baraske batalala ay do finanso amad ba fanan ka be lo dulal bi do satalano le. So information on me along capital come back negative rhetoric ni mo nyanta ngan ke kura mo be mo fasun ke balde, let's think wisely mo kana so mo e hakilo san menu ba ke kan in particular I was very disgruntled. I was very disappointed nga fatu network la journalists or my member on the ground. Can you imagine the people who have been ranting all the place all the time about this whole thing, can negative information was spread about the coalition. Fatu Radio has been recently to lekede la ila hosti dal is almost a Alafragala PDOS radio station sort of or any other political party mealanko they are not in alliance with the UDP. So Fatu network la journalist or wole lawyer osino dabo yininga ka fa ko sorry, somebody sent a message. Okay. Aka lawyer dabo nyinin ka fay ko ite mantan wato mene be prison alliance kala bari bota prison alliance manke no. I think wo manke professional journalism, so but I would still leave that as an open question for journalists to ask themselves. But I think sometimes kudol bi yemanya ka nyinin ka ko do na hakilo nyama buka fo nyama o man correct. Ka fo dabo fana ko for UDP mu power hungry party lady or for la party mo la leadership or is power hungry. Wo fana I think is something me along ko aman necessary. Ano journalist o nyantal na ba ko kibar nya dile nyinin aba kumo nyinin kala nya dile. I think that's also very important. Yeah, Mr. Baba Sila, thank you very much. Abaraka ko do ma ni bara e ko nya dile. So abole nya ma so dabo la fana yede ko nyim kol men be kacate yemen kacate mon constitution on yima violate, and that's very important. I would like to refer you later to the memorandum of understanding that has been signed. Memorandum of understanding me alon ko wole nyim coalition of form ñu man fenk ja melan ka yol luwati nyale because la da wayta ko in fact ni tare fayete ni tactical alliance ke e man kambela constitution otinya and ni memorandum of understanding fana e matinya. Yeah, understand. So it hurt me so bad that being journalists on professional journalists dabo nyin ka fo dabo nata ka fay ko mo min yalan ko wolle sanji sabanu dinu adamala pour ning sanji sabo bande to se ke president o mari ñol wolle power hungry people odi. I think journalists will nyanta trala they become even more professional. So the whole confusion thing here is okay, bro, I'm reading your messages inimbar. So the whole confusion thing in the Fejang, one of the most confusing things right here is the fact that coalition mulman diamu bakenung biribe memorandum of understanding signed la eman diamu bakenung parliament la. If you go through the memorandum, it's about 3 pages or so, but yemira parliamentary la the government from it has 3 branches. Legislature is one of those branches. You then have the judiciary and the executive. So legislature in ko mu from bekono it will menka jaje only once in the memorandum of understanding national parliament team mentioned awoldo. I just want to quote that for you. Then ya jibe ani science and problem mekere. For you the memorandum of understanding, science and problem about self knowledge, fata self knowledge. So I think after that we should be able to make a clear judgment. Let me look at across the line because I want to make sure that I quote this directly. Okay, the memorandum of understanding it really defined about parliament la kote men the only thing about parliament wolenko parliament ya mention damendo. Well, the Committee on Democracy and the Rule of Law. Parliament la this committee, Parliament fall under them. But they just say something about Parliament. The committee will serve as an advisory and consultative body on democracy and the rule of law and will provide recommendations on electoral reform, parliamentary oversight, Parliament for the civil society oversight, media oversight, recommendations on those things, only those things. So I think something here, constitutional still now is always like any other constitution is always open for debate. But I think you don't even have to be a law professor. Can you understand? Obviously, memorandum of understanding by nature, a confusion on and with what I also try to suggest about this is. For many new memorandum of understanding stuff, for your memorandum of understanding stuff about a man something for the parliament could pour new water, then you to listen about our. I'm not assuming anything. That I'm just trying to ask if those are some of the things behind this. Because can you imagine a government paper is between parties? They are based of a kaidisaba. Only parliament only once you just say the committee on democracy and good. The Committee on Democracy and Rule of Law, the functions of the Committee on Democracy and the Rule of Law, just Parliament falls under them. Often it's just like I mentioned in so just to will be an advisory and consultative body on democracy and the rule of law, provided recommendations on So they said the committee on democracy and the rule of law will provide recommendations on one of those things is parliamentary oversight. So whether ma parliament ma video mu be kono ñi video mu be kono sorry excuse me ñi draft mu be kono la constitution kono memorandum of understanding be kono parliamentary election of raje signa kilene. So I think that's a cause for concern mo ñandala nga hakiltu membe kere science about this whole issue. It's a it's a pity definitely. I was shocked. I've seen it ngaja junala, but bring science and natajibe ko. In fact, the memorandum of understanding parti leader le men safe won mo loya aussi no da be jelle quand même asun ko say wala problème modi o be nun jelle bar men ya safe mo sabol mo parti woro o rowlo and plus the independent be ye men safe parliament ma mention je so I think ñim fana mo problème modi me alon ko namol ñanta fala mo le munatina parliamentary election among mentioned je and meatina until I want to highlight this point. One of the issues is nyulta fono la ko me la ko nyimbe kelal because in the memorandum of understanding, I don't want to go and quote directly again because that's time consuming and I want to make sure that this video is as short as possible. A diaspora la ko fujele because they want to make sure that they assure the diaspora people that they are safe and secure and they are guaranteed to come back home. So akamanda kabirin karte fayo be keri wato men kabiri wato men yaji me bije in back in October November nyulial nako yalla nako diaspora ibe silare ne andu nyintan ka muruna. So nyulu yo yaje ko diaspora nyanta muruna after election. So nyuli yilla ko memorandum of understanding ya safel ko directly mfelen din kata kelo bar kelo nyimba win nale. So nin kelo nyi nga win me ñi nakala bari parliamentary to jele so wala nante ko munatina parliamentary bodi ja bodi je propose la kama ba fa bota jele bam pour ni mo lafta ka exploit ko mo memba exploit kan say pour wol sina ya exploit bam wala ya because ne parliament ne ñi fenko ñi jibe I'm not trying to accuse anybody here but let's just face it straight. Halifa in terms of use na ethno-linguistic and the term ethno-linguistic appeared in the memorandum of understanding appeared like 3 times at least. So say muna batina halifa law words if appear 3 times. Parliament man appear even once, even 2 times. Parliament keta jela drong ko it falls under a committee of democracy and the rule of law, and one of the functions of those committee is just to oversee and advise and play an advisory role on parliamentary issues. So where's a very big cause of concern. Jumale mo la memorandum of understanding safe ka bring 2016 kono. Jumalen to la memorandum of understanding safe mari ñol mon song ka parliamentary mention je. This is something that we have to ask ourselves. Muna atina yenyinke yakele technically bang kandu cheyos kono bang fo yakele technically pour ye fongol support fo yakele technically pour ye fongol makoy bari nsa fale memorandum of understanding me yalon ko wolbe coalition o tema sign parliamentary man mention je hani signa fulala signa klenda male parliamentary mention je ye parliament fong mention je wolen ko ye committee dolo to fo ko le nyaka parliament to bari ya irandi diaspora la ko ku scenario mo fo jele ko diaspora iba make sure ni man sakunda ta diaspora mu ngo nyula memorandum of understanding hani la ko dis soto nya ko do spenya anin ko do ba make sure nya mo damal kana ko do nakar ya be explain the memorandum of understanding asudiyata jamfata bari imam femfo parliament la ko woto mo meni yalon ko wollen do la memorandum of understanding sabe ndede ndenge mu ta kulala because menekata memorandum of understanding be nyimbe kumayaren nyameng because as long as Adam Boronal coalition molde are concerned. Hani watu mene election win, yaje mambo follow power. Memorandum of understanding wole keto govern. That is the rule that they have to abide by. So bari mune atina wo rules all kono parliamentary man mention je. That is a very big concern. Momo yalon ko itele memorandum of understanding safe. Ita mari de nte I don't know why, but I think they need to come out and tell us mune atina parliamentary man mention je ye kodi ko be yo be kacha je la kodo. Ya make sure ko ila ni loi kono. Ni momo ila kodo do in anyhow. Hanatu nungu ke me sorong wala ye kitini bari la loi bi me aydan ko manyana kake anu ko do nyanta ila ko nyanta dunna wol men kono anana dunna nyaadi ya be ko jele bari imam fem for parliament la quote was a very big cause of concern. So I would like to end this here because the message is more important than the length of the video. So mbalbe to mbalbe jala momo yalon ko be video ni la mo kan. Thank you very much. Momeni alon ko momo be struggle ko momo be Gambia carte fayla lan donate la lam let's come together dugarante ninte be danir kala momo fala moy wolen ko loya usin da mo kana ne Halifa Sallah mo kana nen Al Ahmad Ba mo kana nen barali nyinin ka ali right sort of anyhow ali nyinka it has been chaotic even down there ko understand ko it has been somehow chaotic but dugal alin kana nyola alfal neng alin kana nyola party leader neng nda mangolam in the end nti I'm optimistic ko Gambia will be fine in the end. There are some things wrong somewhere. Gambia duta fombe jigida ko afo mandi abar jama believe ko yelobe bonal ala en dema yele mambo fem manke. So I think still now woman sa killing as a Gambia ma ko no because woman sa killing mbela ngo hansa wala woman sa. So mbela fra kana video jane. Thank you very much and have a blessed Sunday.